on ads as its primary revenue source? If yes, you'd know how difficult can it get to generate ad revenues from your website. And if you don't really know how to customize and target ads to your website visitors, chances are that you're leaving a lot of money on the table.
Our value proposition is straightforward. We help you make more money, right? Nothing more simple than that. And it's very much measurable. We know how much of an impact we're doing because it's testing. You know, we can exactly measure how much you're making more because of ad push.
Most online publishers with ad space choose to sell it for their advertising needs. But the ads are rarely optimized for maximum effectiveness. And therefore, they only end up earning 60 to 70% of their website's potential, says Ankit. Simply because they have got the wrong ad position, size, colors, or even the wrong types of ads on their website.
So if you look at all the current existing ad tech solutions, ad network, supply side platforms, and all those jargons and all those things, they work, they all work inside the ad unit. So you have ads on the internet, you have ads on the pages, but you're optimizing whatever is going inside. There's a lot of data science, there is a lot of analytics, optimization going, all happening inside the ad units, which you see on the pages, but nobody's working on the page, the web page, and that is the only way you can fight banner blindness. You have to optimize things on the page, type, size, placement, a lot of metrics related to the ad and the page.
Dropping out of college, Ankit and Atul founded AdPushUp in mid-2013.
I spent 6 months in college, and essentially all of that, you can actually grasp all of it in, matter of a few days, not even, years like that. So essentially there is no intrinsic value is the reason why we thought, that college education is not the thing for us. We came in and we thought, why not do a lot of optimization around ads? Why can't we fight this phenomena called banner blindness? And we saw that there was no existing tool which would enable any publisher or any blogger or any website owner to do that.
A software that helps online publishers generate the best combination of ads to get the highest click-through rates and generate more revenue.
What we do is we actually allow the publishers are bloggers, news websites, to earn more money with the current ads and the current traffic. Like very simply, you have to put it down, it's that. How we do that is basically we allow them to test different positions on the web page, and we allow them to just create any number of positions that they want, and automatically we take care of the complex stuff, right?
In simple words, AdPushUp creates and tests different ad samples to see which one performs the best by placing the same ad in different positions, colors and sizes all over the page to see where it works the best. So between unlimited ad positions, sizes, types and colors, the user can simply drag and drop ads to see where it fits the best. A constant watch on the performance of those ads is done to weed out the low performers and identify your star ads. And you're done.
A very simple way to explain that, you have, two combination of ads organized in A manner, and then, two other combinations there, which is, let's say, B or C or D, right? So these are different variations. So, and when you test different variations on the page, you see that this variation is doing better, right? But that's the most simple way to explain it. When a computer does that or when an application does this, there are thousands of variations available and tested automatically on autopilot mode. So essentially, you don't have to worry about ad monetizing your website. The application takes care of that.
AdPushUp claims that its solution uses continuous optimization and monitoring of ads to fight banner blindness. All this is done by using a simple visual editor and no programming knowledge is required. The founder's aim is to fight banner blindness, wherein website visitors consciously or subconsciously ignore banner-like information.
One way of obviously increasing the money from the website is just to completely put ads all around, right? But in short term, it might lead to more money, but users will not come back to that website, right? So what we do instead is we actually measure both metrics. One is monetization, and second is user experience. So it's a balance that we create so that the ads are displayed in a manner which actually yield the maximum money, as well as they actually balance the user experience altogether.
AdPushUp served over 5 lakh ad impressions in its first month itself. It further rose to 30 lakhs and slowly 1 crore over a period of 6 months. A team of 10 people and over 50 angel investors.
Then eventually when we when we were showing our solution, we had customer proof, in fact, 2 of the users of our private beta actually invested in our first angel round. So essentially when we told people, what we are doing, how we are impacting, how much of an improvement we are giving to our users, and there was a huge, at that time I think we were doing about 40-50 million ad impressions already.
Display ads is a $6,000 crore global market. A whole world to explore, so good luck with making the most of it.
Time to slip into a short break, but don't go away. We've got